Hey there, savvy shoppers and budding entrepreneurs. Welcome to my fantastic instructional video on how to rock the OfferUp app. This is presented by myself, Dr. Fair, and today I'm your guide in unlocking secrets of buying, selling, and discovering treasures on OfferUp. So buckle up and let's dive right into the action. All right, first things first, let's get you all set up with the OfferUp app. From your mobile phone, head over to your favorite app store, whether it's the App Store for you Apple aficionados or Google Play Store for you Android adventurers, to set up your OfferUp. With just a few taps of your fingers, hit the install or get button to download the app. Now that baby's downloaded, open it up and let's get you signed in. You can choose to sign up with your email, Facebook, or Google account. Easy peasy, right? I'm going to use my email address to get logged in. First, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the features that will help you get started with the OfferUp app. To the right, you can access your profile. This is where account settings to be able to change your password, update your profile name, how do you want to be viewed on OfferUp, as well as add things like your phone number and change your email address. Next to that is the My Items tab, which will give you all of the items that you have for sale currently. You can also access those archives of the ones that have already sold. Next, we have the inbox, where all your notifications will come, including messages from sellers and buyers for your products. There's the save button to save any items that you want to come back and review later. And next to that is your location and the radius of how far you want to go out to search for items. And then last but not least is our search button. And that's what we're going to focus on right now. Now that I've done the overview and you're all set up, it's time to unleash your inner treasure hunter. We're going to start with the search feature. So I'm going to briefly teach you how to search and purchase an item. The reason I chose purses is because I love purses and I'm addicted. All right, so as you can see in my search within Stafford, a variety of purses came up. Now, for you, you can be as detailed or as broad as you want. For me, I was broad, I just typed purses. But wait, there's more. If you look over to the left of your screen, you can search by category, filters, where you can enter your price range, or conditions. There's various options that you can choose. And then to the right, based on the search that gets revealed, you can sort by your best match, how recent the item was posted, the closest item to your location, price high to low and low to high. Talk about shopping made personalized, huh? So for me, I'm going to go ahead and scroll through here and pick an item. Wait a minute. I think I found it. This Coach purse. I'm going for this one. Once you find something that tickles your fancy, just tap on the listing to peek out all the juicy details. The purse is listed with a brief overview of the price, when it was posted, and where it's located. If there's shipping available, the cost of the shipping, the condition of the item. This purse is used. On the left side, you can see the larger cover photo for the item, and the seller has offered additional photos. The seller's detailed description of the item. You can also view the seller and any other items that they have listed for sale. Okay, let's talk about the options you have. Are you ready to seal the deal? You can hit the buy now or the make offer button to make a grand entrance. You can also click on ask to ask the seller any questions you may have. Don't forget before you make a purchase to give that seller rating a little checkup before you commit. We've all got to look out for each other in this virtual marketplace. Now let's flip the script and talk about making some moolah. We're going to go back to our mobile phone where it's a little bit easier to access posting an item. Now that you're on the OfferUp mobile app, go to the bottom of the screen and click on Post. To post your item, OfferUp offers you the option to take a photo or choose from select photos in your phone. You want to enter the title, make it very catchy so people are attracted to your posting, and then provide a detailed description of the item. Just remember, folks, details are your best friend when it comes to selling. So whip out those photos, write up snazzy title and descriptions, and don't forget to set a price that'll make your buyer's eyes light up like fireworks. And just like that, you're now a certified OfferUp Pro. So go forth, buy, sell, and conquer the virtual marketplace with confidence. And thanks a million for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Dr. Mickey's Fair Business. I'm going back to get my purse.